Deforestation and poverty are two of the world's most pressing challenges. What if a single solution could tackle both? That's the core of the partnership between Neon and Eden Reforestation Projects. It's more than just planting trees, it's an integrated approach focused on long-term ecological and socio-economic transformation. Here is how it works. Neon provides funding, which is directed to Eden Reforestation Projects employed to plant model in locations like Kenya or Madagascar. This model ensures that the partnership creates a double impact. First, the environmental impact. The funds directly employ local villagers, often those living in extreme poverty, to grow, plant, and guard native trees. This consistent, fair-wage employment gives communities an alternative to unsustainable practices like cutting down forests for charcoal or farming. Second, the social and economic transformation. By offering employment, the partnership alleviates poverty, empowering communities with a stable income. This new economic stability allows families to invest in education, healthcare, and microenterprises. Over time, this system creates a virtuous cycle. The community gains a sense of ownership over the restored forest, actively protecting it because their livelihoods depend on its health. The growing forests provide vital ecological benefits. They sequester carbon, restore animal habitat, improve fisheries, and safeguard water resources. Neon's commitment to this project is a continuous investment, ensuring the planting sites are protected and monitored over the long term. This rigorous, community-centered approach is why this partnership is so effective. It's not just about a temporary donation, but building a resilient future for both people and the planet.